Looking for your next vehicle? Let me show you why AutoPark Barrie is the right choice for you. Welcome to AutoPark Barrie, your local pre-owned dealership in Innisfil, Ontario. We're all about making your vehicle shopping experience simple, transparent, and comfortable. At AutoPark Barrie, we offer a diverse selection of pre-owned models, giving you the opportunity to compare different makes, models, features, and price points all in one place. For added peace of mind, eligible models may include a complimentary 90-day or 5,000-kilometer powertrain warranty. Coverage varies by vehicle, and our team can review the details with you before purchase. We keep the buying process straightforward, with clear pricing and the information you need to make an informed decision. Whether you're looking for your first vehicle, upgrading your current one, or simply looking for something that fits your lifestyle, our team is here to help. And if you need assistance, our team can help in multiple languages to make your experience even easier. We're also proud to be part of the Humberview Group, with dealerships across Ontario and a commitment to serving our customers better each and every day. Want to check out our inventory before visiting us? You can do it right from home at autoparkbarrie.ca. Browse our available vehicles, check pricing, view Carfax reports, and explore vehicle details to help you find the one that fits your lifestyle. And when you find something you like, come visit us at AutoPark Barrie in Innisfil, Ontario. Take a closer look at the vehicle, speak with our team, and let us help you find a vehicle that suits your needs. If you enjoy our in-depth vehicle videos and walkarounds, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our latest inventory, new arrivals, vehicle features, and more. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon at AutoPark Barrie.